Here's a tough question. Do you want your family to inherit a legacy or to experience it with you right now? For many families, the most fulfilling answer is both, because thoughtful gifting strategies can enhance your legacy, reduce taxes, and let you enjoy seeing the impact now. So let's break this down. Key point number one, know the 2025 gift tax rules. For 2025, the annual gift tax exclusion is $19,000 per recipient, up from $18,000 in 2024. And for married couples, that means $38,000 per recipient without gift tax implications. Gifts within those limits don't require a gift tax return. Anything over that must be reported on IRS Form 709. But unless you're exceeding those lifetime exemptions, you won't owe taxes. So what's the difference between gifting during life and waiting until after death? Well, during life, you get to see loved ones benefit now, whether that's college, a home down payment, or starting a business. After death, though, assets often receive a step up in cost basis, reducing capital gains exposure for heirs. So a blended approach, giving some now while preserving estate strategies for later, is often worth considering. So what are some strategic ways to gift? Beyond simply writing checks, there are strategic tools available. Here are 3 potential tools, but do know the list is much longer. 529 plans let you front load multiple years of gifts at once. Donor advised funds allow upfront deductions while letting you designate charities over time. And appreciated stock gifts can avoid capital gains taxes and may provide larger tax benefits than cash. Now, let's look at some tax and estate planning considerations. Smart gifting balances out generosity with tax strategy. The lifetime exemption for 2025 is $13.99 million per individual, or $27.98 million for a married couple. Gifts above the annual exclusion reduce that lifetime exemption, but taxes are generally deferred until the exemption is used up. So it's important to coordinate with your CPA and estate attorney so gifting aligns with your overall estate plan. Here's another question. What's the emotional return of gifting during life? For many families, it's powerful. The joy of seeing your family benefit firsthand, the chance to mentor heirs on financial responsibility, and reducing the risk of overwhelming heirs with sudden wealth. I often hear families say, well, my parents didn't give me anything, so that's my philosophy. And I completely respect that. But if you have more than enough to live comfortably, sometimes giving a little extra can reduce stress for children or grandchildren. And when you do that, you may also create a family tradition of generosity that extends across generations. Sometimes the greatest legacy isn't just the wealth you leave, it's the culture of support you established. So how should you get started? At Puzzle Wall Solutions, we help families build strategic gifting plans. And this usually starts with completing a very detailed, comprehensive financial plan so that you know your goals along with your cash flow. While we don't draft legal documents, we do coordinate with your CPA and estate attorney to ensure your gifting is efficient, tax smart, and meaningful. So here's the overall takeaway. For 2025, you can gift $19,000 per person or $38,000 as a couple, tax-free. You can use lifetime gifting, preserve assets for later, or take advantage of tools like 529's donor advised fund and appreciated stock. And don't overlook the emotional impact of giving while you're alive. If you'd like help building a strategy for your family, click the link below to schedule a Zoom meeting. And if you found this helpful, please like, subscribe for future videos, and share it with others. At Puzzle Wall Solutions, we believe wealth is best when it's shared strategically and with intention. Until next time, stay informed, stay proactive, and take control of your retirement.